So this is a bit how we slice strings. Um, for example, let's say we have is a first string like that, S1, which is good morning, and we have a second string, the day is starting well. Or let's just say, okay, we have the string here, and we want to insert something in between the good morning. So how do we do that? We can create a second string, and we say, okay, S, then we want to slice from the start. This is the index 0. If it's the index 0, it's not required to specify it, but here we're going to be a bit more explicit, and we want to include, insert something just here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we take a slice of the strings, and we add our custom message there. Let's say I'm going to add these symbols or these characters, and then we add the other part of the string. So that will be starting from index 4, index 5, I guess, index 5 till the end of the strings. So this way, that ways, we take a slice of the strings, then we add something, and after that, we take the other slice of the strings, we combine them together. And now we can print the S2 strings to see what will be displayed. And here it is, good. And we have the strings we just inserted, and that's it. But whenever you do a slice of a strings, a new strings get created. If you modify something, it is always a new strings that get created. So the strings are immutable variables, data types. So which means you cannot change a value or a character within a string. Each time you try to change something within a string or create a slice of that strings, that will result in creating a new string. So here we've got a new string created, a new string object that is assigned to the S2 variable, and we display it. So I think that is roughly all about the basics and how to use the for, the while loop, the if statement, importing modules, using Python files or as modules, and also what else? Um, Slicing, command lines, also command lines arguments. We have some examples on command line arguments. So is there some questions or some things specific you want to add on? The video will be available on YouTube for now. Thank you, everybody. Uh,